Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace your unibody MacBook Pro battery with a new one. First, you have to make sure that your machine has been turned off for at least half an hour to reduce the risk of residual shock. After it's been powered off, you can then unscrew the back using a Phillips 00 screwdriver. Once it's unscrewed, you can then remove the back and you'll see the battery cell connected to the battery connector. To disconnect this, you'll need to use something plastic. I'll be using a guitar pick to pry off the connector. Now that it's disconnected, it's safe to remove the two screws mounting the battery in place. For these screws, you'll need to use a tri-point screwdriver. After you remove the screws, you can then remove the battery by pulling the plastic pull tab. Then simply insert the new battery cell into the machine, screwing it with the same tri-point screws. Then finally, you can reconnect the new battery connector to the machine and re-screw the back using the same Phillips screwdriver. Now you can turn on your machine and boot it up. I like to use the application called Coconut Battery to check on the health of the battery. As you can see here, I only have 2 charge cycles on this new battery I just installed, whereas before I had over 1,000. When you get to 1,000, you start to get serious degradation of battery life. Like before, I was only getting around 2 to 3 hours screen on time, where I expect with this battery to get at least 5 to 6. So that's all for this video. I hope it helped. Be sure to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all in my next video.